Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anleitung and today I'm going to show you how you can move apps around and create app folders on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. If we go ahead and take an app and want to, I don't know, say put it to another slide, we just need to press and hold and then move it around and drop it where we want it to be. So if you press and hold and then hold it against one side of the phone, it will move sides and then you can just, I don't know, drop it wherever you want it to be. To get apps out of your menu here, you need to press and hold and then move it around, and then it comes to your home screen automatically, and here you can move it around as well. To create app folders now, you need to press and hold and then drag one app on top of the other one, and then it created a folder here. You can put as many apps in there as you like, or until your phone says that you need to stop. I don't know. So that's your folder right here. You can edit the name and you can also move that folder around. You can move it around on that same side or move it to another side as well. If we want apps out of this folder again, we just need to press and hold and then drag them out of that folder. If you only have one app left in that folder, the folder will disappear by itself. So then the folder is gone. So you need at least 2 apps to create a folder. So that's how you can move apps around, create app folders, organize your phone a bit on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.